Welcome to the fifth lesson of building your LinkedIn profile. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to set up your custom LinkedIn profile URL. Let's get started. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile, then click Edit Public Profile and URL. You will be directed to this Public Profile Settings page. On the right side, you will see this area where you can edit and personalize the URL for your profile. This URL is the current LinkedIn URL we have for our profile, which is automatically generated as we create our new LinkedIn profile. To change it, click this pencil icon. This is the part of the URL that you can modify. It's recommended to enter a URL that refers to your name if it's a personal profile, your brand if it's a business, and your company name if you're creating your business page. For this demonstration, we have started creating our personal LinkedIn profile, so the URL to add here should be our name. When you click refresh on your browser, you will see that your URL has been changed. That is how easy you can modify your LinkedIn URL. Customize your LinkedIn profile URL so that it will be your name, brand, or company that is at the end of the URL. It helps with your branding and it will be easier to remember too. I'll see you on the next topic, which is getting a recommendation on LinkedIn.
Hello guys! Welcome to the sixth lesson of building your LinkedIn profile. In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting recommendations on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Go to your LinkedIn profile. As we have just started to create our LinkedIn profile, we have no recommendations yet. What you can do is create connections first. Make a list of the names of your colleagues, your previous employer, or anyone who knows you professionally and have worked with before. Once you've created your list, search for them. Click their profile. On their profile, you may see the buttons Message and More. Click More. On the drop-down menu, choose Request for Recommendation. You will see a pop-up window asking you how do you know this person you're asking a recommendation from. Make sure that this person knows you professionally. Select the relationship, then select your position at the time you worked with this person. Click Next. Automatically, LinkedIn has a generic message for this recommendation. You can say, "Hello, I'm currently working on completing my LinkedIn profile. I would appreciate it if I get a short recommendation from you. If there's something that you want help with regarding your LinkedIn account, let me know. I'll be glad to help. Thanks in advance." That's an example of personalized message, asking politely for a recommendation and not being too forward and pushy. Try to achieve getting 3 to 4 recommendations from your colleagues so that it's visible in your public profile. You may also try to give recommendations first to all of your colleagues. Doing so will allow you to receive your recommendation in return. As individuals, we tend to give back to people who have offered us help. You might be surprised how many recommendations you might get after giving recommendations first. So that is how you get recommendations on LinkedIn. Recommendations are a great social proof to validate your work experience, your skills, expertise from your previous job position or your previous clients. It also gives you a brief impression of the values that you have left within your clients, your colleagues, and your employer. When potential employers, customers, business partners see your recommendations, it opens new opportunities for you. So make sure to ask for recommendations in your LinkedIn profile the proper way. Now let's proceed to the next topic, selecting the right background picture. See you there.
Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about selecting the right background picture. Your background picture in your LinkedIn profile is as important as your profile picture. It is the biggest part of your profile that is seen first by anyone who would view your profile. It can also grab attention from a potential new network connection. There's a free website where you can look for a background picture dedicated to LinkedIn. Go to linkedinbackground.com and you will find tons of free images you can download for free. The size of the images here are already set for the recommended size for LinkedIn's background picture. Browse all the images from the different categories and choose the background picture you want to download. Once you have chosen an image, click on the image to download. Now that we have a background, let's upload it to our LinkedIn profile. Let's get started. Log into your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile. To change your background picture, click the pencil icon. This is the area where your background picture will appear. Click this pencil icon. As you can see, it displays the recommended size of the background picture we should use. Take note of that. Select the background picture for your LinkedIn profile. Click Apply, then Save. You have successfully added a background picture in your LinkedIn profile. Now we can proceed to the next topic, making it easier for people to reach out to you. See you there! Hello guys! Welcome to the 8th lesson of building your LinkedIn profile. In this lesson, we are going to talk about making it easier for people to reach out to you. Log into your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile. To add your contact info, click the pencil icon. Scroll down until you see the contact info. Click the pencil icon here. This is your profile URL, and we have customized this link in our previous lesson. Click Add Website. You may add your website here if you have one and choose the type of website you own. If it's personal, company, blog, RSS feed, portfolio, others. You also have the option to remove the website when you click this link. Then add your phone number and choose from the drop-down menu if it's a home, work, or a mobile number. Input your address. This email address is the one that you use to register your account. Click Add Instant Messenger to add your IM account. You can add Skype, ICQ, Google Hangouts, QQ, and WeChat. You also have the option to remove an IM when you click this link. Then choose your birth month and day. As you click this link, you can choose the visibility of your birthday. Options are only you can see, your connections, your network up to 3 degrees away from you, or all LinkedIn members can see your birthday. Click Apply. On your dashboard, you will see the contact info link. When you click this, a pop-up menu will appear displaying your profile link, phone number, address, and email. Now it will be easier for people to reach out and contact you. We have finished the 2nd chapter. Now it's time to proceed to the next chapter, which is building your network. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.